So they raise a question here is that Sayyidina Musa had asked Allah, Yassir li amri, make my task easy. And Allah had confirmed to him, Utita su'laka ya Musa, your prayer has been granted. So how do we reconcile the request of Musa coupled with the approval of the Almighty, yet the subsequent fear of Musa alayhi salam? Inna nakhafu an yafruta alayna aw an yatgha. Oh Allah, we are afraid that he might just rebel and become defiant, when Allah had affirmed and confirmed that his task will be easy. So the scholars say, and this is mentioned in few tafasir and in particular in Bayanul Quran, that taysir fit tabligh, ease in the conveying of the message, does not necessarily necessitate irtifa'ul mawani' fil mutakallim, which in academic language, to simplify it, it doesn't mean that because the task will be easy, so there will be no difficulties for the da'i or the muballigh in conveying the message. Allah will make it easy, but ease does not mean, Allah promises a good life for those that obey Him in this world. A good life does not mean a life in which there will be no sickness or difficulty, because the prophets are the most deserving of hayat and tayyibah, because they perform righteous deeds. But the definition of a good life is not that there will be no challenges, but rather it means Allah will give them strength in their difficulties. Allah will give them endurance in their difficulties. So innana nakhafu an yafrut, we afraid, knowing his tyranny, his way, he might just cut us in our tracks and say, just back off, I don't want to listen to you. That's the nature of Pharaoh. So, oh Allah, how will we then continue?